Pluto, we were so worried about you. You've been missing. Pluto, Mickey's been so worried. You should have let us know that you were going for a walk. Is that where you went, Pluto? Did you go for a walk? No. Mickey, this is Fun Kid Club's Pluto Play-Doh surprise egg. Say that 5 times fast. Pluto Play-Doh surprise egg. Pluto Play-Doh surprise egg. Pluto Play-Doh. Pluto. I can't do it. I'll try. Pluto Play-Doh surprise egg. Pluto Play-Doh surprise egg. Pluto Play-Doh surprise egg. Pluto Play-Doh surprise egg. Pluto. Okay, can't do it either. Fun. I love it. Okay, everybody say it with me. Pluto Play-Doh surprise egg. Pluto Play-Doh surprise egg. Pluto Play-Doh surprise egg. Ah! Mickey, you're so cute. Would you like to open up this Pluto Play-Doh surprise egg and find out what's inside? Yes? Me too. Let's do it. It's Pluto! Oh, Pluto has so much energy. Oh, reunited. And Goofy. Don't forget their friend Goofy. And Donald and Daisy. Donald, Daisy, Goofy, Minnie, Pluto, Mickey. All these Disney Tsum Tsums in one place. Oh, let's have some fun. Oh, they love their friend Pluto. Ah, gee, thanks Fun Kid Club for helping me find my best friend Pluto. Ah, stop it, Pluto. We love all of our friends. Thanks for coming to play, Fun Kid Club. Remember, get out your Play-Doh and build.